Should I buy Bitcoin above $100,000 is a question I keep seeing. We're late in the cycle. We're closing in towards the maximum length that any bull market has lasted after the halving. At most, at the point in time when I'm recording this video, there are probably a few months left, unless the cycle is completely different. Now, long term, is Bitcoin going higher than 100,000? Is it going to $500,000 or $1 million? And the answer to that, besides the fact that no one knows for sure, is probably yes. It's probably going to keep going higher. The reason for that is that fiat currency, your US dollar, your euros, your pounds, they're all getting worth less every single day. Fiat currency never becomes stronger. It never gains purchasing power. It only loses purchasing power. So everything else, all the assets, your real estate, gold, silver, stocks, Bitcoin, in the long run, it all goes higher in nominal terms because fiat goes lower. So I think that trend in the long term will continue. But as we know, with Bitcoin and with cryptocurrency specifically, there are boom and bust cycles. Now, to date, this has followed a very clear 4-year cycle where we get a 2-year bull market and then a 2-year bear market. The bear markets have historically come in 2014, 2018, 2022, and 2026 is just around the corner. So it is likely that we are once again going to see another bear market in 2026. This leaves you with two possible strategies. Number one is you can just follow a dollar cost average strategy, which means every single week or maybe even every single day, you're buying a fixed amount of Bitcoin no matter what the price. And that doesn't have to be a lot. It can be $10, it can be $50, $100, whatever is comfortable within your risk capital and what you don't mind. It's like, okay, every day I'm spending $10 at Starbucks. Well, maybe I'll put $10 into Bitcoin. And then over the next 10 years, you're going to acquire quite a healthy amount of Bitcoin at an average price that doesn't depend on you picking the absolute top or bottom. That's one strategy that people follow. And if you'd done that in the past, it would lead to very decent results. Now, the other thing that you can do is wait for what is historically the bear markets for larger accumulations. So buying the dip towards the end of bear markets, which historically, based on these cycles, suggests that towards the end of 2026, we are probably going to be closer towards a bear market bottom. And if that all lines up at that point in time, then we can take larger amounts of capital to buy spot Bitcoin to hold for the longer term at what is likely going to be a much better average entry. But that's just my thoughts. What are you doing? Are you buying Bitcoin over $100,000? Are you dollar cost averaging? Let us know in the comments down below.